Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Alyssa.
Hey, so as you know, this month, the month of May, we are running kind of like a drive or a cause for one of our co-workers, one of our team members, Scott Lammers, and his charity, which is the Ronald McDonald House. And if you've not seen that video yet, please take a few minutes and do that. We've linked to it above, and it's a really inspirational story. So middle of the month, we came in the office today, and Alyssa totaled up how many raving fans so far that we've created this month and that has given us feedback that we've done so. Alyssa, where are we at so far?
24 raving fans and $1,200 raised for the Ronald McDonald House.
So every time someone lets us know that we've created them, they're a raving fan, we are making a $50 donation to the Ronald McDonald House this month. And as Alyssa said, already 24 customers at the midpoint of the month have let us know that we have $1,200. And I just have to say, when we started out, we thought a goal to reach for the month was going to be, what did we say?
$100?
$1,000. we thought we were going to hit $1,000 for the month, and we are already at $1,200 at the midpoint. It's crazy. So we're really inspired by this. I know our team is really excited about it. We're all just really getting behind, working as a team and putting extra love into every project. And yeah, I just wanted to give you an update. Alyssa, anything you wanted to add?
Just know that if you've hired the perfect paver company, your feedback makes a world of difference.
Exactly. Yeah. So if you have hired us, and good or bad, we want to hear the bad news as well as the good news. But if you have hired us, please let us know if we've done a great job for you and our team's done a great job. It makes a world of difference. So thank you for tuning in. Please watch the video above if you haven't, and we look forward to seeing what the total numbers come in at the end of May. Thanks. Have a great day.
Thank you.